Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. There's a topic of yes, differentiation. And the question which I'm going to start is here application. You can see the October 17, 13 variant question number 11. So let's start. First of all, we have given a curve. You can see a curve equation given and a line joining AB. And given a find equation of line AB. The first part is very simple. And number one, I part. So first of all, find gradient, and you know y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So answer becoming half. So half is gradient, but c is not given, so we'll find. Well, okay, we can find c or find apply formula other one. So y minus y1 equal to m times 2x minus x1. Equation of line formula. Use any point. I use this point. So 0 come in the place of y and 1 in the place of x1. So y minus 0 and m is half and x minus 1. So you can say y is equals to half times 2. You can type in like as it is or right in it, but he asked a specific form. So it means we have to multiply half inside. So we got a half x and minus half. And this is our required answer. First part is done. So let's talk about part number 2. So part number 2, we have find show all working equation of tangent to curve which is parallel to AB. This is very interesting part. Find equation of the tangent parallel to the curve. So you get curve and which is parallel to the line AB. It means this line is given by him. You can see. So I just show you. This line is here. Let me show you the line format. Okay. 1 minute, please. Okay, this line I'm showing you. You can see this line is given by him. Okay, this line is given by him. And he said make a line which is a parallel to the same line and tangent to this. You can see that. Look, I'm showing you. Alhamdulillah, somehow I'm successful to show you. Look, they are parallel to each other, but this point, this is the P point I'm looking for. Okay, so repeat again. Show that find by working the equation of tangent to curve parallel to AB. But first of all, my question: whenever we need equation of tangent, we need a point. Problem is that we can use the gradient. The gradient of AB is half. I can use this gradient. So for your knowledge, gradient of AB is half. So which also is called derivative is equal to half. Derivative value is half. So first of all, I will find derivative of this equation of curve. So let's find y is equals to x minus 1 to power half. And derivative, you know how to do derivative. Half comes down, power become 1 less, minus half, into derivative of base. And that you know x minus 1. So this becomes 0, here 1. So only 1 comes. But you know this power negative half goes in denominator. So become 2 root of x minus 1. But in the place of derivative, I'm putting my half. Why, sir? Because derivative and gradient same. Let me write here. M or dy or dx both are exactly same. So half I'm putting here. So cross multiply. So this goes on the left hand side top. So I'm not doing fully cross multiply. So 2 root of x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 2 cancel. X minus 1 root. Squaring both sides, x minus 1 equal to 1. So x becomes 2. But I need y as well, not like x only. But this point is lies on the curve. You can see there's a curve. So this 2 lies on the curve. So I can replace this 2 in equation here and get a y coordinate. So add x is equals to 2. So y is equals to 2 minus 1 to power half. And you know very well, the answer become 1 to power half is 1. So point P is coming 2 comma 1. Now I'm close to equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to curve. Formula, you know, y minus y1 is equal to m times 2 x minus x1. So y1 is 1 and x1 is 2. So we can replace the values. And m is what we have. M is same, half because they're parallel. So I hope so got it. X minus 2. So 2 multiplies there, 2y minus 2 equal to x minus 2. And reshape it. And ultimately, you can say 2y is equal to x only. This is my answer because this 2 and 2 cancels. You can see that this 2 to cancel, this 2 and this 2. So this is my answer for equation, writing this way or writing as you wish. So we have done it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This idea is very, very clear. And after this, we'll go for the third part. So just wait and have how to, inshallah, do third part. So let's start, student. The last part we have, and last part? We know that this is a point. We have already this point is there, and we got this point. X is 2, y is 1. Okay. So this point we have already. And what is the plan? Read the question. Find perpendicular distance between the line AB and tangent with parallel AB. So it means we need to find distance between the line AB. Where's line AB? I show you. Line AB is the lower one. Okay. So this line is line AB. All right. And tangent is this is a tangent. Okay. And what is a perpendicular distance between the line AB and the tangent to the AB? So actually, if we look at carefully, one person standing here, okay, and everyone find distance. So this is not called short distance. This is not called short distance. Always draw a perpendicular, make a 90-degree, and this is called a short distance, or it's called a perpendicular distance. Okay. So I think idea is very, very clear. So it means that I have to draw a perpendicular. And how to draw perpendicular? So from this line, I show you from this line. Okay. This is a very clear drop of perpendicular and make a 90-degree. And it means if you look at carefully, this is 90-degree. Okay. And let this point, the bottom one, I given as a Q name. Okay. So it means if I show a big diagram, so this is a P and this is a Q and this line is going through here. So I'm just making sure clear so you can understand easily. There's a one line and the second line is below. There's a one line, there's a second line. And this line is, this point is P21. And line equation we have, and here this is also perpendicular. So this distance is my question. This distance is my question. Now problem is that, can I find distance unless I have Q coordinates? No. I need 2 points so I can apply distance formula. So how to get Q coordinates? There's a very, very interesting. So actually, I need to find the 3-mark question, how we can find distance between the point to line. Actually, we have a formula even, I can use it. And what is the formula? And we have a working even, okay? So lower line, I think we got it, 2y is equals to x. Okay, 2y is equal to x. So we can find in 2 ways. I will find both. Okay, first of all, this line I have it. This line AB, sorry, line AB, this line I have it, which is this. Yes, exactly. I wrote opposite, and this line is above the line, above line. So here I'm writing y is equal to 2y equal to x. And this line we know y is equals to half x minus half. Okay, now 2 lines we have, and actually how to get Q coordinates. So if this line is a perpendicular line and passing through P, so can I find equation of PQ line? Yes, I can find. I'm writing here. So let's find equation of PQ line. So equation of PQ line. And do you know what is the gradient of the line? This line is a half. But is a perpendicular. What is gradient this line? So this line has a gradient, or you can say PQ gradient is what I'm writing. PQ gradient is what? Negative reciprocal, -2. But do we have any point lie on PQ? Yes, we have. Q is my question. Leave it. but P is lies there. So P is lies there. So I'm using P. So use P. P is 2 comma 1. So finding question, y minus y1 equal to m times 2x minus x1. So y is 1 and m is minus 2 and x minus x1 is 2. So y minus 1 equal to negative 2x and plus 4. Ultimately, I'm getting y is equals to negative 2x and plus 5 is equation of PQ. But you know, Q is a coordinate where two lines are intersecting. One line is this and one line is this. I repeat again to you, which two lines intersecting, okay? How to get Q coordinates? Repeat, this line and this line cutting. So it means if I solve this line with this simultaneously, I get Q coordinates. So let's see how we can find simultaneously. So this Y value, look at here, Y subject and Y subject. Can I equate them? Yes, I can put them equal to each other. Okay, let's start. So when I equate them, I get what? Negative 2x plus 5 equal to half x minus 1 by 2. So throughout into 2, because this 2 is disturbing, into 2, I got negative 4x. Into 2, I got 10. Into 2, I got only x. Into 2, by 1. So this comes this side, I would got 11. And this goes there, I got a 5x. So x is coming 11 over 5. Okay. If x is coming 11 over 5, we can find y even, and this value you can replace it here, and let's see what answer comes. So try to calculate this one, and okay, I do directly because save my time. Negative 2 times to 11 by 5 and plus 5. It is coming 3 by 5. So it means the y is coming 3 by 5. So Q coordinate, which I'm getting here, 11 by 5, comma 3 by 5. Now find distance formula, PQ, I have it. Alhamdulillah. So PQ distance I can find directly. Okay. So what is that? This 2 minus this whole square. Okay. And this 1 minus this whole square. Okay. And let me calculate quickly myself. I want to save the time. 11 by 5 and whole square, and plus 1 minus 3 by 5 and whole square. Answer is coming root 5 by 5. So PQ distance is coming root 5 over 5 units. This is the distance between them. So yes, we have another way to solve the same question. Okay, same part. Rather than doing the full working, you can see that in the first step we have done equation. We found equation of line. Then we equate them. We got a Q coordinate and apply distance formula. So lengthy working. And now we have a short technique. And answer is comes from two decimal places. He said, "Give me two decimal places," and we got the answer 0.45. Very clear. Okay. But he said, look at here, two decimal places. Okay. So now I'm going to teach you another technique to get the answer. And what is the formula? Whenever we need to find a point from point to line distance formula, this heading is called point to line distance formula. Let me write here. Point to line distance formula. Point to line distance formula. So how we can find point to line distance formula? I'm going to discuss here. So listen to me carefully. The point is given here, P, and line is given here, this one. So I'm using here both. So P is 2, 1. But let me tell you, line, I will never use this shape. I will bring all value left hand side. So Y negative half X and plus half equal to 0. This condition, we all need all values left hand side. Okay. What is the formula? Let me write formula for you. Formula what? On the top, we have a modulus. I tell you what is called modulus. And down I have a root. And what is Y coefficient? Put square here. What X coefficient? Put square here. This is a criteria, fix. Repeat again. So what is the X coefficient? X coefficient number is minus half. And what is Y coefficient? Nothing means 1. So I hope so clear. And in the numerator, what to do? You'll put the values. This X value will go in the place of X. and this y value will go in the place of y. So replace. In the place of y, I'm putting 1 here. Then minus half come from where? And now x value is 2. I'm putting the values and plus half as it is. Repeat. This plus half come from here. This y coefficient, sorry, not coefficient, sorry. I'm putting the 1 value in the place of y, and this 2 value don't go in the place of this minus 2 half x. I think clear. Now, what is the modulus does? If modulus give negative answer, it gives us always positive answer. So modulus, whenever removed, this is called modulus. So modulus, okay, this is 2 cancel. I got a negative 1, and negative 1 plus 1 cancel. This is a fully cancel. So I got in the numerator what? I got in the numerator modulus of half. And down I got if I check in calculator, so square of 1 is 1 and 1 by 4. If I take root of this, it's giving me root 5 by 2. And ultimately I get the same answer, root 5 by 5, which is equals to 0.45. So I have done this question 2 ways. Okay. So this is a short technique, only 3 to 4 lines. Otherwise, from here till here, you have to do all. Okay. So you need to find q coordinates. For that q coordinates, you need to find equation of line PQ. Okay. And then you solve this line with this simultaneously to get q coordinate. This is formula. So very, very long working, but anyway, both ways are perfectly right.